Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, check your iPhone software and the lamp firmware before connecting. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later. Confirm the Lotus Lantern firmware is version 2, 0 or higher. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Turn Bluetooth on in Settings and power Wi-Fi for AirPlay later. Grant the Lotus Lantern app permission to local network when prompted. Keep Apple Music signed in and ready to play. Finally, place your phone within 3 meters of the lamp for reliable pairing. Power the Lotus Lantern and put it into Bluetooth pairing mode manually. Press and hold the lamp power button for 6 seconds until the LED flashes blue. On your iPhone, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and find Lotus Lantern in the device list. Tap the lamp name and confirm any 4-digit pairing code shown. After pairing, open Apple Music and start a track. Tap the audio output icon and select Lotus Lantern as your playback device. Adjust volume on both the phone and the lamp for balanced sound. For multi-room audio, use AirPlay instead of Bluetooth for higher quality streaming. Ensure both your iPhone and Lotus Lantern are on the same Wi-Fi network before using AirPlay. Open Control Center, press and hold the audio card, and choose Lotus Lantern under AirPlay devices. If HomeKit setup is available, follow the app prompts to add the lamp for voice control. If pairing fails, reset the lamp by holding power for 15 seconds and retry. Finally, restart your iPhone and the lamp to clear temporary network glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.